Hello friends, you are welcome on my YouTube channel Knowledge Lata. If you are watching out my channel for the first time, please subscribe it and press the bell icon and press the like button as well to get the upcoming notification of my videos from time to time. Today's topic is Song of the Open Road. This is the part 2. One video has been already published, part 1. This poem is composed by Walt Whitman, a famous essayist, journalist and the poet. He had contributed a lot into the English literature, and this poem has been composed into the free verse. Free verse is a particular poem which does not follow the rhyming pattern, means there is no rhyming word at the end of every line. It does not necessarily have a meter, and it does not follow also the rhythm. This is exactly the free verse. Now, to begin with this particular poem, you see there are two types of people in this world. The first category is those who believe in luck, complete believer on the luck. And the another type is those who believe on their action and work, they don't depend on their luck. This particular poem supports the second category. It advocates the second category. इस दुनिया में दो तरह के लोग होते हैं, एक वो जो भाग्य के भरोसे रहते हैं, एक वो जो काम पर विश्वास करते हैं और भाग्य के भरोसे नहीं रहते. इस पोएम में जो पोएट है वो दूसरी तरह के लोगों को सपोर्ट करती है. अब हम पोएम का लाइन शुरू करते हैं. लेट अस रीड दिस poem in the full. Afoot and light-hearted I take to the open road, healthy, free, the world before me, the long brown path before me, leading wherever I choose. Henceforth I ask not good fortune, I myself am good fortune. Henceforth I whimper no more, postpone no more, need nothing, done with indoor complaints, libraries, querulous criticism. Strong and content I travel the open road, the earth that is sufficient. I do not want the constellations any nearer. I know that they are very well where they are. I know they suffice for those who belong to them. Still here I carry my old delicious burdens. I carry them, men and women. I carry them with me wherever I go. I swear it is impossible for me to get rid of them. I am filled with them and I will fill them in return. The poet in this particular poem says that afoot and light-hearted. Afoot means a step, but afoot combined means ready to do something, and light-hearted means happy. Take to means begin. Open road here, road stands for the life here. He says that he is ready and happy to begin his journey on the road of life. Healthy and free, the world before me. He says that he is healthy, he is free, he is ready, and he is very happy to begin the journey of life, to begin the journey of the road of the life which is open to all. He says open road exactly means the road of life which gives opportunity to everybody and which has many opportunity for many people. That is to say, this life is like a road, open road, just as in cross road. If you are there, आप अगर चौराहे पर हैं तो आप कहीं भी जा सकते हैं, वो आपको किसी भी मंजिल पे ले जा सकती है. In the same fashion, life is also like a road which can take to you any destination. Means life has got multiple destination, multiple choices and option, you can go anywhere. So the poet says in this line that he is ready and he is happy, he is healthy and he is free to begin his journey on the road of life which has got many options. The world before me. World here stands for challenges and options. You see, whatever is the challenge today, tomorrow that is opportunity. For example, 12वीं पास होना आज आपके सामने चुनौती है, चैलेंज है, लेकिन आप 12वीं पास हो जाएंगे तो ये एक अवसर में बदल जाएगा कि आप 13वीं में एडमिशन लें, इंजीनियरिंग में एडमिशन लें, मेडिकल में एडमिशन लें. उसके लिए ये 12वीं पास होना जो आज चैलेंज है, ये उस समय एक अपॉर्चुनिटी बन जाएगा. तो ही सेज दैट द वर्ल्ड, हियर वर्ल्ड स्टैंड्स फॉर चैलेंज, and if you win over this challenge then it stands for opportunity. So as a whole the world stands for opportunity. He says multiple opportunities there before me, the long brown path before me leading wherever I go. He says this road of life is very long, जितना दूर चाहे जा सकते हैं. ब्राउन पाथ, कच्चा रास्ता, ब्राउन कलर का होता है, पर कच्चा रास्ता परेशानियों से भरा होता है, पक्के रास्ते में कम परेशानी होती. तो ही सेज that life is a very long way. It can take us very long, but it is full of brown path, means it is full of challenges. And if you win over that challenge, then it can lead you to any particular destination you want. You can get any success. So he says that the road of life is very long. It can take you very long, but it is necessary that you solve the problems and challenges of the life, then you can get any sort of success you choose. यानी ये रोड ऑफ लाइफ बहुत लंबा है, पर ये चैलेंजेस से भरा है. अगर इन चैलेंजेस को आप सॉल्व करते हैं तो ये आपको किसी भी मंजिल तक ले जा सकता है जो आप चुनते हैं. henceforth I ask not good fortune. बोला इसलिए, henceforth means therefore, so I myself am, I ask not good fortune. बोला इसलिए मुझे किसी भाग्य की ज़रूरत नहीं है, अच्छे भाग्य की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैं खुद में एक अच्छा भाग्य हूँ. I myself am the maker of my luck. I myself am the creator of my luck. और वो क्यों creator of luck अपने आप को कहता है? Because he is ready, because he is happy, because he is healthy, he is free and he is ready to face the challenge. And those who are ready, those who are happy, those who are healthy, those who are free, those who are able to face the challenges, they don't need any luck, they create their luck own self. Henceforth I whimper no more. और बोला because I am ready, because I am happy, because I am healthy, because I am free, because I am ready to face the challenge, that's why I don't need fortune and I don't whimper anymore. बोला whimper means sad cries. He says that I am not going to request and I am not going to complain कि मेरे पास ये है, मेरे पास वो नहीं है, God has given me this, God has not given me that. I am not going to do this. Postpone no more. और अपने कामों को मैं खिसकाता नहीं. Need nothing. यहाँ need nothing has got a special meaning. मैं मांग के कोई चीज़ नहीं लेता. I don't beg anything. I achieve something by my own effort. Done with indoor complaints. He says that I am not going to entertain small complaints that I am not having this, I am not having that. No. लाइब्रेरी में हम जाते हैं तो हमको बहुत सारी एडवाइजेज और सोच और ओपिनियंस मिलती है. वो बोलता है आई डोंट डिपेंड ऑन मल्टीपल ओपिनियन ऑफ अदर पीपल, आई क्रिएट माई ओन थिंकिंग, इंडिपेंडेंट थिंकिंग. मैं आप लोगों की सोच पे नहीं चलता, मैं अपनी सोच पे चलता हूँ, अपनी सोच क्रिएट करता हूँ. क्वेरलस क्रिटिसिज्म एंड आई डोंट एंटरटेन हार्श क्रिटिसिज्म. लोगों की शत्रुतापूर्ण आलोचना की भी मुझे परवाह नहीं है. स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड कंटेंट आई ट्रेवल द ओपन रोड. बोला बिकॉज आई एम रेडी, बिकॉज आई एम हैप्पी, बिकॉज आई एम हेल्दी, बिकॉज आई एम फ्री, बिकॉज आई एम रेडी टू फेस द चैलेंज. दैट्स वाई आई डोंट नीड फॉर्चून, बिकॉज आई डोंट कंप्लेन, बिकॉज आई डोंट डिले माई वर्क, बिकॉज आई डोंट बेग एनीथिंग, बिकॉज आई क्रिएट माई ओन थिंकिंग. दैट्स वाई आई एम स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड सेटिस्फाइड. तो ही सेज I am going to travel on this open road of life because I am very strong and satisfied. So he says in a very strong and in a very contented and satisfied manner, I am going to travel on this open road of life, the earth that is sufficient. He says for me the earth is sufficient. मेरे लिए ये अर्थ पर्याप्त है. अर्थ means ये दुनिया. He says I don't want anything from other world. I don't want anything from other world. This world is sufficient for me. I am not going to demand anything from heavenly pleasure. बोला मुझे स्वर्ग से कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I don't want anything from heaven. This world is sufficient for me. I do not want the constellations any nearer. Constellation means group of star, but here it means luck. बोला मुझे अपने भाग्य के तारों की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है कि वो मेरे नज़दीक आ जाएं. तो वो कह रहा है भाग्य का तारा मीन्स भाग्य. वो कहता है कि भाग्य मेरे नज़दीक आए, भाग्य मेरा फेवर करे. आई डोंट वांट इट. ही सेज दैट आई डोंट वांट दैट लक शुड फेवर मी. आई डोंट वांट दैट लक शुड कम क्लोजर टू मी. आई नो दे आर वेरी वेल वेयर दे आर. वो कह रहा है कि आई नो एट वॉट एवर पॉइंट the stars of my luck are there, they will be there only, they are not going to move. I know this, and I don't want them to move from their point. I know they suffice for those who belong to them. मुझे पता है कि वो उनके लिए ही पर्याप्त, उनके ही भाग्य को पूरा करने में परेशान हैं जिनसे वो संबंध रखते हैं. यानी भाग्यशाली लोगों के ही भाग्य को पूर्ण करने में लक इज़ बिजी, and that's why I don't want the favor of luck. Still here I carry my old delicious burden. मेरे पास लक का साथ नहीं है, मैं अकेला अपना सब काम करता हूँ, लेकिन इसका यह अर्थ नहीं कि मैंने सबको छोड़ दिया है. I still carry the old and sweet memories of my duties towards the past. I carry them. I carry my duties towards men and women equally. I carry them with wherever I go. So he says, I carry my duties to all the times, let it be past, present or future. I carry my duties to all people, each and every section of society without any inequality. And I carry my duties, I do my and perform my duties on all the places. I swear it is impossible for me to get rid of them. He declares that it is impossible. I can't get rid of my duties, and I don't want to get rid of my duties. I don't want to set aside my duties. I'm filled with them. He says, my duties towards the past and my past has inspired me, and I also want to inspire my future generation whose past I am. Now figure of speech and brainstorming section will be done in the third part. Thank you very much.